Yo, what's good everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And from the title of the video, you guys already know that we're gonna be making a bow and arrow today. So let's get into it. I want to show you guys what we're making before we actually make it, so you know what you're building. I already have a pre-built one, but this is a little example of the bow and arrow that you're gonna be making. And basically the way this works, obviously it doesn't have a rubber band, so it can't shoot, but you can load an arrow into it and you can make it go like this. So in today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to make the bow, how to make the string, and then I'll also show you a little bit of how to make some designs. But at the end of the day, it's your bow and arrow, and I want you to make it the way that you want it to look cool. But for the example, I added these little things right here, and you can do that simply by making a little, what's it called, like an arrow shape? It's basically another bow, and then you wrap it around it. So that has one here, and then just some mechanical stuff right here. The arrow is usually gonna be a little bit longer, but you can make it shorter if you want to. Now the bow and arrow is built into 3 different parts. There's the string, there's the base of it, which is just a simple black one, and then these are looped into it so that this can move around. And then there's also the little notch right here, and this is what holds the arrow so that it doesn't fall out of place. So pick a color that you want for the base, and then pick a color that you want for the designs. Okay, let's get into it. First, you're gonna start by taking one piece of black, you're gonna take it like this, and then you're gonna fold it so that the tips line up with each other and it makes them even. You're gonna take it right here, you're gonna press it just like this all the way down so it smooths out. You're gonna do that a little bit until it's completely folded, and it's gonna look something like this. Now you're gonna take these sharp points and you're gonna wrap them together once, twice, so that has a little bit of a V shape right here, and then you're gonna fold these so that the points don't hurt you. You're gonna fold them into each other and then point it. Now that you have this, we have the base almost done for the rest of the bow and arrow. Now the next part that you're gonna do is you're gonna take another black right here, and then you're gonna wrap it. Now you're gonna leave a little bit right here for excess. You're gonna wrap once, twice, take this point right here, fold it, and now you're just gonna wrap all the way down here. And then once you have that done, you're gonna put it back down, and then you're gonna start making it into a little bow shape. So that has that bow and arrow curve to it. Look at that, it's coming together. Now once that curve's done, you're gonna take another piece of black right here, and you're gonna wrap it at the very top, and you're gonna wrap it once, and then twice. Once you have that part done, you're gonna take the rest of it here, and then you're gonna wrap it at the very end. Leave a little bit of access. 1, 2, 3. Now you're gonna take whatever color that you want the designs to be made out of. I'm gonna make mine out of green. You're gonna make a little circle like this. Right here, you're gonna leave a little bit of the tip out. You're making this circle here. Wrap it once, and then wrap this inside of the circle so that it doesn't poke you. Once you have this part done, you're gonna take it over here, and then right in the middle of the bow, a little bit above of it actually, you're gonna take it like this, and then you're gonna take that green and you're gonna wrap inside. And there's the little notch for your arrow. Now for the arrow, you're gonna take a little bit of the pipe cleaner like this, and then you're gonna fold it right here. You're gonna fold it outwards, forward, outwards, forward. And this is gonna make the shape of a little arrow. Now you're gonna wrap it right here, once, twice. You're gonna fold this upwards a little bit to give it that arrow shape, and then you're just gonna wrap all the way back down. Once you reach the bottom, you're gonna split right here. You're gonna fold it like this, and then you're gonna fold the other piece just like this. And there you go, you have a bow and arrow that works. Ain't that cool, bro? And for the people that wanna know how to make this shape really quick, I'll show you really fast. Take the armor piece that you want the color to be made out of, make it into a little fold like this, wrap it at the end once, twice, bring it back into the center, wrap that twice, and then you're just gonna attach it to wherever you want it. So I would put my piece right here, like this, raise it a little bit above the pipe cleaner, wrap it once, twice, and then on the third one, you're gonna bring it back up and attach it to the rest of the green right here. And just like that, you have the armor piece made. And you would just repeat that process right here. And here's the finished product. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure that you're liking, that you're commenting, that you're subscribing, and let me know what you guys want to see next. I love y'all, but Jesus loves you more. I'll see you next time.